Well, hello and welcome to the glass studio today. Just wanted to let you know what was happening. This is an awesome project. So there's a building in Rexburg, the Tabernacle, that they want to restore. And so they've taken some of these old window panes out, and I'm going to make them all into stars. Then they're going to be used as a fundraiser to raise money for the building. So this is an amazing project. So I want to kind of just take you through what I'm doing. So first of all, I clean up these yucky ones. Let's get a full one just to get the full effect here. And first of all, just dust off of the ages of, of stuff that's on there. And then I am just using vinegar to get most of it off. Okay.
Woohoo, you can sure smell it.
I like the smell of it. Do you?
Oh, it's not bad.
Smells like a salad out here. Okay, once I've gotten that pretty clean, and I still got some paint, and so I just take that off with the
Razor blade?
razor blade. Okay, awesome. Nice. So sometimes this side needs a little extra, so I'll clean it off a little better with some glass cleaner. Let that sit for just a sec and get its bubbles working. And then just clean that up better. Okay. I know I'm kind of weird that way, but I thought, you know, even if some of the grime or something is still there, then you just got more a part of the building.
History, huh?
It's history. It's like pig pens. You know, he carries around the history of the world in his dust. Okay, now coming over here, I figured it out that I can get 10 and sometimes 11 pieces out of this. So I heard that it was a little bit crunchy. Let's get it cleared here. I've set my strip cutter to just be about the same size as this. Is my pattern. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of a dip and make some strips.
Okay.
It's like butter.
So it'll be, so the regular 1/4-inch foil will fit on there?
Yes, it will definitely. So that's how far I've gotten so far, is getting them all cut. I've got a whole bunch. I've got a couple of boxes. This is just one of the boxes that I have done, and then I have another box somewhere else that's just as full.
Okay.
So we'll be working on him for a little while, let you know how it goes.
On June 5th, 1976, the Teton Dam burst and it sent 80 billion gallons of water into the surrounding areas. As it came into this building, it slammed against it, but all the water that would have went into it went into the basement.
The whole basement was flooded. You can see the line down there on the stairs that shows how high the water was, because the water was above the ceiling of the basement.
But because of that, the church was thinking about tearing down the building because it was still going to be a lot to repair it. But the city stepped in and they saved the building, and they were able to purchase the building through a grant, and so now it's owned by the city. To me, the tabernacle is a symbol of resilience and perseverance.
I think this tabernacle is still here at Rexburg because of what it means to this place. That people living 110 years ago donated, saved up their pennies to build this building.
It's seen so much. It's seen world wars, it's seen a flood, it's seen development around it, but it has stayed standing, and it has been a solid part of this community. Nobody in Rexburg can remember the building not being here.
They aren't just old buildings built by ancestors.
We hope that people will see the significance, feel that connection, and want to keep the building here forever.
That tabernacles are, for me, a real living witness of the power of place and the power of connection.
All right, let's talk about this. Tell me about what's going on here, Jeannie.
Okay, so I've got a whole bunch of stars that I have finished. I need 200 altogether. And right here, I think I've got, see, 30, 50, about 100 right here. And there's 20 here. So I'm working on a bunch. We still have a few more to solder, but we're getting there. It is happening, and we only have 1 hour before pickup time. So I finally came to the realization that if we get 200, yay. If not, and then we can just make sure that he gets the rest later, because we're doing the best we can.